Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Arch with Imran. I hope you have an amazing day, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download contour lines and other data from Digimaps. Let's get into it. So here we are on Digimaps. Now, as I've said, Digimaps is provided by my university, and I know it's provided by a number of others. If you guys would like a video on alternatives, please let me know and I'll see what I can do. So we're going to do what we did last time, and we're going to go on to Ordnance Survey. However, this time, instead of picking Rome, we're going to go onto Data Download. Now, this will show you a black and white map of whatever area you're in. I'm just going to zoom into Portsmouth. So here's the map of Portsmouth, and one great feature is on the reference grids, you can do size or you can do postcodes. So if I zoom out, you get the option for postcodes, and if I zoom in, you get different size grids. If you don't like one, say you have this and you want to turn it off, you just click it again and it will get rid of it. Now, on the left of our screen, we have this bar. Now, what this bar is all of the data that we can download from Digimaps. Today, we're going to be looking at land and height data, but there's a number of others that I'd recommend you have a look at. Now, there's all of these crazy names and you may not know what they are. So, if you click on this arrow to the right, it will have a description of each one. So you can, for example, get terrain, but today we are going to be looking at terrain contours. As you can see, it's got the lines, but there's also a number of other data types that you can download. Also, one of the really good benefits of using this is that you can download a .dwg. Now, a .dwg, hopefully you already know, but it's a CAD file, and it can be opened in programs such as Rhino, Illustrator, AutoCAD, or any other drawing software. In the future, I will also be doing a video on how we can then take this line work into Rhino and we can extrude it into a surface. But we're going to look at downloading the data for the time being. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose whichever bit you want. Now, first you need to now select where you want the data to come from. So I'm going to just zoom in into, for example, the pier here, and we're going to use this draw tool, and we're going to draw a rectangle. Now you're going to select the area you want and you just click. I'm not holding down anything on the mouse, and then I click again and it will select this area. So once we've made the selection, we simply just select OS Terrain 5 Contours. Now you can see you have this 400 tile limit. Now all this is it's the maximum amount of data you can take out in one go. If you want to have a larger area, as say at 5 kilometers, you can just do a separate selection afterwards. Now, once we've selected this, we're going to hit add to basket in the bottom left, and then we're going to go on view basket. You'll be given the option to choose the format. Now, I'm going to pick DWG, and you can give it a title name. So if we just say now, you also have this option. If you select more than one data type, you have the option to group it into a single download, or you can have them separate. What we're now going to do is we're going to hit request download, and it will also choose the email it gets sent to at the bottom here. Now, here's the point where we have to wait. So hopefully within the next day or up to a couple days, you will receive an email with this data. I will come back to you guys once I've received the data just to show you what it looks like. One quick tip, because you have to wait for this data, what I would recommend is trying to do this as early as possible, as soon as you know the area. And it's always possible to get more data than you need and just cover a really large area. This will save you having to wait multiple days if you say miss off an important piece of data. Now guys, this was actually extremely fast. I received the email of confirmation, and 2 minutes later I've received the download. So the times really do vary based on demand. Now if you open this email, you'll get download your data. If you click it, you'll have a list of all of the data you've downloaded, and you can just hit download. Okay, so now I've just opened this zip file. You'll have a citation as well as your order contents. And then if you go into the terrain, you'll have some rules regarding educational user license. And if you go into this SZ file, you'll receive your terrain data. Now I'm just going to open this data in AutoCAD just to show you what it looks like. Now I've just opened this file. You can see the selection and all the contour lines, and that is exactly how you download contour lines from Digimaps. Now keep in mind, on that drop down you can also download loads of other data, so I'd recommend just going through and having a look. So guys, hopefully you found that helpful. Please remember, if you have any more video requests, leave them in description and I'll see what I can do. Also, please remember to keep liking, commenting and subscribing. I really appreciate all the support. And in the description, I've got the new Instagram and Discord. Go check them out. I'll catch you guys in another one.